We're not going to look at the outside of the building. We're looking for anything on the outside of the building that will affect its performance. The envelope, the flashing, any potential moisture intrusion problems, things like that. We always want to look for any cantilevered sections or protrusions of the building that come out over the space, because this can be a huge breakdown in the thermal boundaries of the building. The seam underneath here is open, so there's going to be some air infiltration coming through here, and there'll be some air infiltration coming through behind that trim on the inside. We want to look and make sure the grading is sloped away from the house as it's supposed to be, because if it's not, there'll be moisture intrusion issues coming into the crawl space or the basement. Up here we have a downspout coming onto the roof with no kick-out flashing. That's causing some moisture intrusion issues on the side of the house. Here we have some dry rot and some missing trim work. This is also another flashing issue. We're going to have some cold and moisture intrusion getting through here. The downspout being this high is a drainage problem. The water should be taken farther away from the house. This should be located farther down. As we can see from down here, this water hitting down in this area is creating a depression, and this water is laying up against the house, creating a potential moisture intrusion problem. We want to look at the condensing unit on the outside and check that what the nameplate data is. We want to note the age of the equipment and the size of the equipment. This is manufactured in 1996. It is a 2-ton unit. We want to make a statement about whether or not we feel this is the correct size unit for this particular residence. Oftentimes, builders will put an oversized unit in, and it's not working very efficiently because it's cutting in and out too much. Part of the exterior inspection is taking measurements of the outside of the building and drawing up a footprint so that you can use the calculations of the volume for energy calculations. I also take photographs of the exterior and any things that I've found that I want to report on later.